All right, everyone. Gonna put the hood back on Black Betty today. So this episode, Never Done Projects. Hood going back on, and maybe reassembly of the grill and headlights. Well, good morning, everybody. Sunday fun day. Might take a little bit of a whack at trying to fix a little bit of this pitting from Bondo, fiberglass, whatever it may be. See, I already started a little bit. Just go across the front here and get all those big sections knocked down. That would be ideal. If you can't tell, the hood definitely needs to be painted. But I do have some of those Rust-Oleum turbo cans in black, and they did real good for the 01 Silverado, so I imagine it would do good for this. I'll probably end up doing the whole truck in that Rust-Oleum black, but if I can find the tripod, I might see if I can set y'all up to watch. But I appreciate it. Here we go. All right, welcome back. Did not find the tripod until just a second ago when I went and got this reducer. Say hi.
Hi.
Say like and subscribe. Say thank you.
Thank you.
But I went through and sanded it all down. I did put some of this
Daddy, how do you do it?
fiber light. It's like body filler Bondo, because you can see that's Bondo. But what I just put in here to fill up these holes I showed y'all, which, I mean, you can still see there's a little bit there. Probably need to go through and fix that. But to fix all that, I went through and put that fiber light, sanded it down. Need a little bit of touch up, but that's substantially better than having a bunch of bubbles and big holes in it. Trying to figure out if I want to use the hood pins or if I want to try to fill in those 5 holes on each side. But I do like hood pins. But maybe I can go get that tripod now and maybe spray a quick little coat of just black paint on it. But here we go. All right, so I just laid down 2 quick little pieces of masking tape here. The whole hood has to be painted. She doesn't listen. But whole hood's gonna have to be painted, because you see up here there's a bunch of paint missing. But we're gonna set up a little bit of a time lapse. We're just gonna use some of these big old Rust-Oleum turbo cans, and I just want all that to be black. Whenever it comes time to paint all of it, we'll go from there. But here we go. Well, that was obviously going to be easy, but giant Rust-Oleum can, approximately, yes, about 9 inches to spray, but hadn't dried, of course. You just saw me spray it on there real quick, but just real quick on there. I am not a paint whiz and I am not a body man, but that looks a lot better than rust holes poking through. But like I said, we got some more finishing work to do with it. Like, I just saw this here, so I need to sand that. But I'll probably go back and sand it once it all dries, but we'll go from there. But here we go. All right, here's the driver's side. As you can tell by the way it is, don't pay attention to that. You know, if I just pick up on the door, it'll go back. But man, that I can't beat. Let's see. Got them sitting right here. Where'd they go? There. Here's one. There's one body mount. Tell by the way that one is, this wore slap out. There's the other one. There you go. So I'm gonna try to work on those videos. I know a few of y'all have asked for those, and I just don't know what to do now. I thought rebuilding a motor would be next on the plan, but turns out I kind of don't know what I'm doing. I'm more than happy to learn, but we are about to, this is the intake I bought that I told you I blew the budget on. Let's see if I can get that cleaned off. Hold on. All right, got too much crap, not enough room apparently. This is the Jegs intake I bought. Told you whenever I was first figuring out if this motor was worth anything, that I blew the budget on. Dual plane, the one that's on Black Betty now is a big single plane, but I mean, it's, I guess like a low rise. I mean, not an air gap or anything too terribly fancy. It was basically just the cheapest that Jegs offered. But we're gonna take this intake off, and I still hadn't learned how to zoom on this thing yet. But youngest brother and dad's over there hooking up the boom pole, we're gonna hook this thing up. We're gonna go put it in the barn. I mean, at the minimum, get it out of the building where we can actually use that little corner of the building right at the door. Get it out of the way, and if we want to work on it in 6 months, we ain't got to worry about if there's going to be a puddle of water in the oil pan instead of empty. But so yeah, never done projects episode, whatever. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better on these. Maybe, just maybe. Y'all tell me. Video a week. I mean, I can make a video about some just random stuff we do. We really can't work, but like Monday morning for me, I work nights. Saturday and Sunday with Dad. But I mean, let me know what you want. And this, I had to finally take this off of the windshield. I was tired of looking at it, and I need to throw it away. My wife told me I can't sell it. Oh, that's nice now. Wife told me I can't sell it, and Dad said I can't sell it now that I got all these parts he's acquired over the years and built. So unless something changes, this truck is here to stay. But we'll see. Y'all keep following along. All right, everyone. Gonna put the hood back on Black Betty today. So this episode Never Done Projects. Hood going back on, and maybe reassembly of the grill and headlights. Daddy wants to make a lower mower. I'll show you when we get to the house.
All right.
Yep.
See the lines we made. You see the red lines on the hood? Yeah. Try to line those up as best as we can. I need to go up. Come this way since he's here. These things move. One of you's got to be still while the other one works. All right. The mouse will go in. How do you need to move? Oh, what you got? You hold the top? Screws on there a minute. Arm's right in my way. I can't see shit. Yeah. What do you need to do? Well, this line is going to go all the way up here. Problem is, I'm way down. You need me to move up? What you got? I'm nowhere near it. No, that's what I'm saying. They got to work together. See the lines? Yeah. Those lines go just like that. Come up a little bit. Now push the hinge in. Yeah, right there. Push the hinge in. got that one in his pocket.
Pocket full of sunshine.
You cannot shut it because we don't have it adjusted.
We can see how far off we are.
He's like the movies. Pretty damn close.
Well, I mean, that's kind of why I drew the red lines.
Yeah.
This one needs to come down, I think.
Like I said, that's what the
Yeah,
screw holes are for. But I don't know.
Yeah. This side over here. This is no, this way. Then
Oh.
I think it might be like that.
that's definitely different. At least you don't like to say it in the garage.
I didn't even pop hood and get them two screws for the end of the tires.
Yeah.
You want to give it over and shut it?
Shut it even. All right, well, hood's back on. She's dirtier than what you pick up on Friday night, but she's on there. I wanted to paint it, but like I said, it's kind of hard to see it on the camera, but I mean, that doesn't look the best, but I mean, how did Vice Grip Garage say it? You know, I'm not looking for show quality. I'm just looking for whenever you leave the watering hole on a Friday night and some fella comes stumbling out and from 50 foot away says, huh, that's a nice looking truck you got there, fella. And all you say is thank you. But maybe we can get that front end put back together. That brush guard looks nice, but makes it a little bit of a pain, but it's okay. All right, there it is. Front end's back together. Got the grill on. I wanted to paint my GMC emblem down there, but...
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Where's it going?
I don't know. Where is Justin going?
Where's it going?
Apparently he doesn't want to be up here anymore. But anyway, there it is. Grill has more holes in it than Swiss cheese, but that's okay. It does look a lot better. I ain't even sure how much you can see it, but it's something. Slow progress. Every day a little bit better than the rest. Daddy, I can't zoom in, but you got anything you want to say?
Like and subscribe.
Yay! All right, everybody, we appreciate you watching so far. It's pretty well the outro. We have no idea what we're doing on this yet. But hey, my wife, his favorite daughter-in-law, made us some more shirts. Check that out. As seen on YouTube, Randy and Randy. I even got one on too, but I'm too fugly to turn this camera around. So, got anything you want to say?
Like and subscribe.
Comment. Tell us what we can do a little bit better. Tell us what you want to see. Yeah. Help the old man and the stupid one out. I'll let you figure out who's who. But comment what you want to see next. We appreciate it though. Give it another thumbs up.
Thank you.